Vlogmas really tired me out. But Hadley's having a shindig-a-ding-ding-ding tonight, so we're going and we're vlogging. 3, 2, 1. We are here and I'm so excited! I feel like I haven't seen Hadley in years, but really I just haven't seen her in a couple days. But that's true friendship for you. Also, check out her decor. I'm crying, it's so festive. Oh my god, Hadley's house is literally a dream. It's as if I'm on acid. Which I wouldn't know because I've never been on acid. Oh wait, can you do that again?
Oh my god! Yes, I can do that again.
Oh wait, okay, action!
Hello, part 2! Part 2.2!
I love our friendship. Wearing the shirt and the necklace.
I just bought it today.
I really like it.
Carter went shopping with me today.
Oh, that's so sweet of him. This is your Vlogmas debut, even though Vlogmas is over. You missed it.
I know.
I'm sorry.
I think the only time I could have appeared in it, I was, you know,
I threw up already.
a little tired.
Are you drunk?
No.
We went shopping today. We went to this really cute candy store. This is, how do you?
Are you okay?
This angle's weird. How do you?
Angle or lighting?
Do you just like talk like this, like to the vlog?
Yeah.
Hi vlog. This is a little weird because I don't think I've ever vlogged before. Okay, I'm in motion. So what's new in my life? Nothing. All I do is go to school and work. Occasionally drink. I turned 21, so I can actually talk about that now. Haha. One time Makayla and I went out in Uptown and got so fucking drunk. I'll send you the clip.
We were inside the lake. No, wait, that was a different night. But
No. The night that I went on my fuckboy rant. Remember that? TBT? I showed you this video. I got it on my phone. It's hilarious.
He's here.
I'm here. Hey, this is the first time I've actually said hi to you when I can like.
Shut up, Carter.
Wow.
Finish your thought.
I was just gonna say it's the first time I've seen Makayla when we weren't like out. We saw each other right before Christmas, but we were like in a club.
Go like it. Okay, go like it. Okay,
and
go like
so
it.
it was.
Okay,
I'm going liking it, but it's in a club, and so I didn't really get to say hi to her like legit. So this is like the first time I've seen her for real since I've been home.
Now I can remember
for like
seeing him.
4 months, no, like a month, but still. I need to go like Hadley's Instagram. Go like Hadley's Instagram because apparently that's really important.
At
H. Slocum 17.
Carter just took the pizza out of the oven.
She was really concerned it was gonna like burst into flames. And I was like, it's 100.
It's okay. Look, the pizza is completely fine.
Look, it's not even burnt. It looks beautiful. That's great.
Oh, yum.
In the fridge.
Oh, shit.
This is my baby.
No. Grey Goose.
Grey Goose.
Cheers.
I'm all about working hard and playing real shows. Work hard, play hard.
What?
Huh?
How's the night?
Really good.
Is it?
Apparently you can't trust the hoe.
Don't trust the hoe.
I'm really dubious.
Don't trust me. We're listening to 7th grade Sexual Explosion.
It's a playlist on Spotify, go follow it.
I developed stressful problems. Shut your lips. Do the Helen Keller and talk with your hips.
Helen Keller was a person.
Okay, so I'm Lachi, she's dying, and he's offended. My best friends are here. We're home where we belong.
Come here, come here, come here.
Can't tell who's from the outside as long as
I thought I was gonna fall off my chair.
Get your fucking pizza on the floor.
Oh, we did it.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, fuck.
Scale of 1 to 10, where are you? 10 being turned
Whole
8.
drink already? It wasn't that big.
That was poison. Woo! Mine's like barely touched.
On a scale of 1 to 10, like,
Yeah.
somewhere between a 2 and a 6. I don't really know.
Okay, so an 8. Hadley, 1 to 10.
I need to clean up.
He's an 8. What are you?
I'm not an 8. No.
How does a 4 on a 0?
I'm a 3.
Because she hasn't been feeling well today, and I felt bad because we spent all day together, and we got these really cute like truffles. This really nice chocolate stuff. And then she ate it, and then she felt bad, and so I felt like the truffle made her feel bad, but I was sad. It was a mimosa truffle. She got mimosa, champagne truffles, Merlot truffles, and Pinot Grigio truffles, and I got a mimosa and a champagne truffle.
I had none of that.
Because you didn't come to Ridgedale with us.
And that's the deal, my dear.
Hadley. Wet napkin? I know wet napkin.
And that's the deal, my dear.
Hey! It's not zoomed in at all.
I can do it shots girl style if you want. temperature. Assuming she's 0 degrees, she goes overseas. I got that girl from overseas. Now she's my Miss America. Now can I be her silver please? I'm fighting for this girl on the battlefield of love. Got me look like baby Cupid shooting arrows from above. It's never gonna get old. Never. 7th grade sexual explosion. 7th grade. You are my only. You won't be lonely, even if the sky is falling down.
Is this right? What the fuck?
Nothing is out.
I'm gonna drool!
What do you do now?
Wait, I didn't drool!
Clean.
Yeah, I threw it in the dishwasher.
What, where's the
Mind
car?
the shit. Hope it gives you hope. It gives you hope.
You're so weird!
What's the game?
This is hard!